Hello and welcome to an Empower Servers tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started with your Unturned server. So once you've bought your Unturned server, you're going to need to check your email. And inside your email should be the login details on how to log into our panel. And then from there, you can access your server. So once you've found that email and you've logged into the panel, it should look something like this. Obviously, you're not going to have all these other servers, but you should have an Unturned server. So I'm going to click on my server. And the first thing you want to do is start it up. Now, while your server is starting up, you want to go to management and allocations. And once you're in allocations, you want to check that you've got ports that sequentially go up from each other. So by this, I mean, as you can see here, you've got 730, 731, and 732. So your ports should sequentially go in order. For example, 1, 2, 3. Or 5, 6, 7. If you haven't got that, make sure to contact our support. Our live chat is always in the bottom right corner of your screen. Servers don't take long to start up on Unturned. Once you see that your server's online, we can connect to it now. Now you can use this join server button, and in my experience this does work. However, I'm going to show you how to do it manually. So head to System, Server Details, and you want to copy your IP address and right click copy. Now open Unturned. Now once you're on Unturned, you want to come to play and then press connect. Now in this box, I'm going to copy my IP that I just copied earlier. So I'm going to press Control and V on my keyboard. Now from here, you see the colon, and then all the numbers after that need to be put into the port section. So for me, that's 730. And now we need to delete those numbers from the IP. So just delete those numbers and also the colon. So your IP should look something like this, and then press connect. And then press join. Shouldn't take you very long to load in at all, and there you go. That's how to connect and get started with your Unturned server.
Thank you very much for watching. If you require any more support, the fastest way to reach us will be via live chat, located in the bottom right corner of your screen at all times. Thank you for choosing Empower Servers.